Oh, what's up, everybody? Happy Sunday. Hope everybody's having a great Sunday. What I got here, see the finger? Follow the finger. I got the zucchini. It's already cooking. I'm making chicken francese with some mushrooms. But yeah, see, now this is ready. This is boiling here. That's the lemon and the white wine. Chicken's already cooked. Browned it already. Add it in here. Oh, sorry. No, not yet. Cut. Made a mistake. First of all, we got to do this. We got to put it in the egg. Got to put it in the egg wash. I forgot. That's why it's sitting right here. See, and here's the egg. Flour one more time. Egg again. Then it goes in. Egg. Flour. It already has the flour, but I hit it again. I do it twice. And then it cooks in here, see? Egg. Flour. One more time. I'll hit the egg again. Use it up. Get all that egg. Wow, look at that. You know how juicy that's going to be? Oh my God, I just ate the mushrooms. Look. I just lower the flame on that a little bit. And that's it. Look at that. It's going to be delicious. Cover it. 10 more minutes, not even 5 more minutes, that's done. That's it, baby. Veal francese, veal franciosa, veal chicken. What's wrong with me today? Chicken, chicken francese. I got veal on my mind. You could do the same thing with veal. All right, I got to add more white wine in there, so I'll see you guys later. Check it out. YouTube channel.